Hey everyone, welcome back to Cyber Tutor, where we make cybersecurity concepts simple and easy to understand. Today's topic is a big one in networking fundamentals, subnets and subnet masks. We'll explain what they are, how they work, and why they're critical for cybersecurity. What is a subnet? A subnet, short for subnetwork, is basically a smaller part of a larger network. Think of a network as a neighborhood. A subnet is like dividing that neighborhood into smaller streets. This makes it easier to manage traffic and improves efficiency. For example, instead of having 1,000 devices all in one big network, you can break them into subnets of 200 devices each. That way, communication is faster and problems are easier to isolate. What is a subnet mask? A subnet mask is what tells computers where the network part of an IP address ends and where the host part begins. Here's a simple example. IP address 192.168.1.10, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. This mask means the first three numbers, 192.168.1, represent the network, and the last number, .10, represents the host. In this case, a specific device like your laptop or server. In short, the subnet mask helps devices figure out whether another device is on the same subnet or if they need to send traffic through a router. Why are subnets important for security? Here's where cybersecurity comes in. Subnets aren't just about organizing networks, they're also about controlling access. Segmentation for security. By putting devices into different subnets, you limit how far an attacker can move if they gain access. This is called network segmentation. Reduced attack surface. Sensitive systems, like databases, can be isolated in their own subnet, so not every device has access to them. Access control. Firewalls and access control lists, ACLs, can be applied to specific subnets to block unauthorized traffic. Threat containment. If malware infects one subnet, segmentation can help prevent it from spreading to the entire network. Cybersecurity example. Imagine a company with HR systems, finance systems, and guest Wi-Fi all in one big flat network. If an attacker gets into the guest Wi-Fi, they could potentially reach the finance data too. But if each is on its own subnet and the firewall blocks unnecessary communication, the attacker is trapped. They can't move laterally to sensitive systems. Why cybersecurity students need to know subnets. As a cybersecurity professional, you'll constantly deal with IP addresses, routing, and access control policies. Understanding subnets will help you. Configure firewalls and intrusion detection systems properly. Design secure networks that separate critical systems. Detect suspicious activity, like traffic moving between subnets when it shouldn't. In short, mastering subnets means mastering one of the foundations of network security. Final thoughts. So remember, subnets organize and divide a network. Subnet masks define which part of an IP address is network and which part is host. And in cybersecurity, subnets are key for network segmentation, access control, and limiting attacker movement. Thanks for watching this episode of our Network Fundamentals series. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Cyber Tutor, and share this with your classmates or colleagues who are also learning cybersecurity. And don't forget to check out our Cyber Tutor resource page, where we've uploaded free notes, cheat sheets, and extra resources to help you study smarter. See you next video. Stay secured.